Kashfaga. Wenyabamba konya Morongwa Ababashi Nawero bamba konya Azua Azua Mugendame Aya Rama Kiden Morongwa bunda Ilonzo buta mukendawe Morongwa ya ye Aduna Ilonzo buta Ilonzo Nyatiti mugendame Nyatiti mugendame Tawero baba konya Andele Konya baba konya Matia Thank you so much, Murongwa. Yeah, thanks so much. I really appreciate your time. I see beautiful faces also in the vibe. Huh? Sissy also in the vibe. Sissy. How are you, Sissy? How is Sissy? Are you good? I see Murongwa. Murongwa, where are you watching from? Badala. Yeah. Salimia Hezron. I see Orango. I see this guy by the name Shabadala. Shabadala. Tell me Shabadala. Ayo. Yo piñano orango mi sheshe. Have you seen sister? Get up in your love. Yeah. Lord Rudolph also the vibe. Lord of Orango Palo Buno Orango Palo Buno. I see my brother by the name, beautiful lady by the name Sasi Murogongo from South Africa also watching. Oh, this bamba. No, Shobo. Scorpion Nova. Kai. Also on the vibe, keep on watching. Also remember to subscribe on YouTube. My name is Maka Mugenda. Maka on YouTube. YouTube channel is Maka Mugenda. Subscribe, watch. Osuri Anzia also on the vibe. Lamb of God also on the vibe. Mel Crew. I see Mel also on the vibe. Gavaranga bicycle. Ayeta also on the vibe. Lamara Chris also on the vibe, guys. Keep on watching. There's more, yeah. Joy. Nico, ICCV. Rashido Sonema. ICCV. Compa dancer also on the vibe. Okay, Tiomoko. Have you seen Tiomoko? Have you seen Tiomoko? So there are lots of crew in my yard on the vibe. Tiomoko. There's a El Cocotela. Let it pass. Watch I beat it, man. Watch I beat it. Let's continue the vibe, my guys. That's a chopper. Helicopter. Jimo. Murongwa. from South Africa, also the vibe. Can't pay you. King, what are you saying, King? I see King. King also in the vibe. King also watching on YouTube. Ken Gitonga. Yeah. My God, what? Quiet. King in the vibe. How are you, King? Tell me, King. See on the vibe. Mubaraka also the vibe. And DJ Moss on the vibe. Jamela, can you dance? King also on the vibe. Jamela, can you dance? Chelimo! TMO also the vibe. I see someone is saying, King, you want to appreciate me? Yeah, you can use my PayPal. I can give you PayPal or M-Pesa number. It will depend with what you want, how you can do the appreciation. King, I don't know where you are watching from, King, but TMO is on the vibe. If you want my M-Pesa number, I can give you, or PayPal, I can give you the email. Charlie Queen. Yeah. Okay, my M-Pesa number is 0720 or 2015 9271. Nikia Ania, I see Ania also the vibe. Amo Hero Jamungo Boni also the vibe. Hero Jamungo King of Money. Hero Jamungo GB also in the vibe. It's a vibe, guys. Keep on watching my Smaka Muganda. We are continuing the vibe. Yeah, Kings. Let's continue the vibe. I really appreciate your time. It's Smaka Muganda playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. Yeah. Small. Freddy Gutieno, Isaac Enka. Sasa on the vibe. Sulumail on the vibe. Yeah. Enkayo. Makero. Enkamayo. Makero so in the vibe. Wachane. Makero no magaye. Who need me? Ayo. Enkamuna. Magero quack. Magero Murash. Magero Ai signori Enkaya Kanyuda Rajio Magero Baba Budoganyo Magero Quack Inio Ekore Misaya Inumina Nilalakanye Magero Baba Tumulungu Lani Aye Enka Kanyudare Enka Kanyudare Enka Kanyudas I see Kimbo Sanaman Money man Oh Ekore much appreciate, guys. Keep on watching. For those who are watching one of the Luo traditional instruments, I really appreciate your time, guys. I'm giving you this vibe from Diani, Kenya. Magero inena kin kure baba quite. I see Magero also in the vibe, guys. Kaile mana jaluo. Let's continue. Burial Oliver Tina. Magero, you watch kin kanya baba. Where are you watching from? Somali. I'm fine, my God. Arrecho. Ayo. Papa Martino Soleman Muganga Muganga Ganima Muganga Magero Ilungo Magero Quach Manonya Tora Rachasa Ermin Wood Mama Muganga Ayo Mama Muzimeme Amlilia Mwanabe Amwami Aguea Meam Lima Wamame Somalia Malidunge Verona Morongwa Tumolungu Magero Omeri Yakanya Omera Dro Ayudange I see some people are watching on YouTube. And also remember to subscribe, guys. Makamuganda Sigma. Mama Muzime, Kamlia, Wanabe, Amwamia, where I'm Lima, Wamawe, Walter, where I'm Lima, Magaro. Need some more thing, need some more thing. Ayo, Samalulu, Kim Cruziano Sudamba. Arajamudo, are you dancing? Are you dancing? Yo, ayo, Somali Usuga. Mama Muzimeme, ayo, Kosonava. Muganga Gani Mamuganga, Ganga Gani Mamuganga. Misame Africa. Tell me, ayo, tell me, have you seen the Magero? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Oh no! Leonuga, Arajamodo, Mr. Africa. Erojamodo, are you dancing? Are you dancing? I see Kosovo, Jakuza. Long time I've not been seeing you, my brother. Where have you been? Ganga gari mamuganga, oh gari mamuganga. Ayo, arajamudo, magero, arajamudo, arajamudo. Ayo, arajamudo. Kosovo, Yakuza. Ayo. Yeah, the guy need to Malaika. Hey, Malaika was not playing with Nyatiti. Oh, wow, this guy. Guys, thank you so much. New song from song brother. Thank you so much. Then go son of that one call Mugenda. Yeah, is our family name. Wow. Malaika, is it? Malaika, nakupenda malaika. Malaika, I was not playing it. Then I was playing with the guitar, bro. These are traditional. Queen Bal. Malaika, nakupenda malaika. Amera, Kiswahili is very, very tough. Thank you so much, my guy. I try you have to clap for Maka, guys. Thank you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. Queen also in the vibe. Let's continue. Malaika means surely. PM in the hip, Malaika. Style strong, brother. Thank you so much. General also in the mind. Kosovo. I see my Mr. Amphika. Magero also in the vibe, my guy. Remember this Makamugeda. I'm from Kenya. Kosovo. Are you ready to sing together? Queen Woman. Let's continue. Yeah. Aye. Ha ha. I wake up in the morning, I see her. I wake up in the morning, Sigma, yeah, Sigma. Queen, Balakure. Caño, Balabue. Caño, Misa, my friend. Caño. Don't give it. Rasmo! Caño. Aye. Have you seen Julia? Caño. Can you dance walk? Chacha Sandia. Can you dance? Mr. Black. That's a vibe, guys. Keep on watching. When I tell you it's a vibe, it's a vibe. A traditional vibe with Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is one of the old instruments from western part of Kenya. Smart boy, I really appreciate your time, everyone who's watching. Yeah, the instrument is called Nyatiti. These are traditional of Luo community. Yeah, enjoy with Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time, guys. Just keep on watching. Also, remember to subscribe on YouTube. If you want to appreciate, you can appreciate through M-Pesa. M-Pesa number is there, 0720 15 9271. Or you can use a PayPal. Just if you want to tip. Something like that. If you want a tip, you can use M-Pesa or PayPal. Yeah, PayPal, I'll give you the email. Let's continue. I see Mr. Africa. Babaki. Sigma also in the vibe. Sigma, very nice. Thanks so much. What I sing? Sammy, Nero 4. Nero. No election. Nero. No. Nero. Win Bali Bura. Isabella. I see some beautiful ladies never. No Victoria. No reform, no election. No election. In where? Where? No reform, no election. I have to agree, but where? Unataka kiboko, no reform, no election in Tanzania. Pronwando, munataka kugongwa. My brother, ayo, wamechoka na dictator. Georgie Kibet also the verb Rufeli. My name is Maka Mugenda. I see my brother. There's a guy Janda. You see you by the sea. Thank you so much, my guys. My name is Maka. I really appreciate your time. Just keep on watching. Guys, no reform, no election in Tanzania. But you have done it, bro. Chela chuma. Carizo. Ayo. Coroso, Queen. Balabure. Balakure. I see Queen also the I see. Relax. There's a guy watching. Hey, I'm from Germany. Alemado. How are you, Alemado? Alemado is watching from Germany, my guys. Yeah, remember it's a vibe, guys. Sing and read to mingle, looking for someone special for Kenya or Zimbabwe. Let's connect. Clinton. Clinton, are you ready? Are you ready? Clinton, are you a lady or a man? Are you a lady or a man? Moses, are you a lady or a man? That's the question. Answer the question. Fatuma. Are you? If you are a lady, I can give you a man. But if you are a man, I can give you a lady also. Lady man. Lady man is that one is very risk. Guys, let's continue. Moses Jacoba. Amisam. Itonga. Please pray. Yawakana donge pinyo dagi. Yakana donge pinyo dagi. Sigma. Nia. Itonga ya. Francis Olule. You turn up in the blood. Sigma, can you dance? Sigma, show us what mama gave you. Yawakana don't get in your daggy. Yakana don't get in your daggy. Yeah! Wait. Oh, you have to clap. Nati Gitonga also the vibe. I see Nati and Gitonga one. Gati and Gitonga, they are vibing. Triple M also the vibe. It's a vibe, guys. It's not a show. They're just going slowly by slowly, Baba. Slowly. Nyakwari Jamoko. Wakabasha. Zikitonga, Melia, Melia's also the vibe. Yeah. I see we. Can you dance Gitonga? I see Sigma. Gracia, I wanna mama, I wanna win Gitonga. Queen. Mama, Ida, Oga Ojoro, Mbana Wabi. Where do you live? Alexia! I'm from Kenya, my guy. Alexina, me, mother. I also love you more. Are people like I actually? What are you saying, Reina? For those who love me, mother. I also love him, you know. You don't dance. Kani jamin, Nio Nairobi, Nairobi, Yangoma. Guys, today You have to know that I'm sick. I don't have energy today. War, how are you, War? Also in the vibe. Keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda, guys. I see you, War Nade. Yeah. Also remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda, M-A-K-A space Mugenda. And also you can appreciate through M-Pesa. If you like the vibe, you can support through M-Pesa. Number is there. And also remember, check. You can also subscribe. You can also support through PayPal. And Tima Berto in. Over in Kanye Baba, over in Kanye, wachane in Kanye Baba. Mboya also working. Why are you watching from the water? I see my gun. Wrong. How do you play it so good? I joins also the fire. Yo, can you be young up in your designer? Just in five. I'll be using no warrior. Just in Baba. Jamalis. Jamalicious. Jamalicious in the heart. Just in Venezuela. Ayo, Itonga Jamoto, Jamalicious, just in the Jambo, open valley, just in the Feva, Jaber Jamudo, Jaber Jamudo, Booyah, Yawa Jamoto. I just in the Kani you dance, Kani you jenga, Kani you go jenga, chance of the mind. You're in you benyanga, Russia. I mama, well I do. Oh, just in. Peppa, yeah, Peppa, goodbye Sigma, Peppa Justin, Ninjong Jananga, Peppa dance, Peppa, ayo, now it'll money. I don't know if I in the right behind. No move money. Rashado Salama. Rashan Guna. Peppa. Ha ha. Amor. Motion au Salama. I see we know from Arizona. Aye. You have to clap, guys. Thank you so much for clapping. Edward Nyarano is on the vibe. Thank you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. If you're watching in Kenya, you can support through M-Pesa. Subscribe, please. On YouTube is Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda, guys. Subscribe, watch, enjoy the vibe on YouTube also, guys. And also, you can appreciate I was late. Mayo, Aimi, MG. Mayo, where are you from? Aimi. Where are you from, Aimi? Aimi, MG. Where are you watching from, Omera? I see Mayo. Edward Nyanaro. Let's continue the vibe. You are not related to Nyayimi. Ayemi. Eduardo. Have you seen Ayemi? Ayo. Hello. Josiano on the vibe. Waweru. Yes, I am the guy. Josiano, tell me, my brother, where are you right now, Josiano? Hey! Ayo! Hello! I say you are paper and person. Information is not in you are. I forget, bro. Yes, you can send my brother. Cashier. Thank you so much, Jose. Rain on the vibe. Madiba. Guys, I want to reach out the bundles. Just 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute for those who are watching. Thank you so much. You have to clap for Maka. Everybody. Batasco. Kwaku Jainaba. Aimio Batasco. Bogoicha, Big J. Are you dancing? It's not Moses. That one we call Baoba. Buza. Nyawano. Empress Sophie also the vibe. Is a joke, Avisincho aveu rich Kisumo Nyawana. Is a joke, Kisumo. Ken William also the guys, it's a very special evening vibe, guys. Keep on watching my Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time, guys. Yeah, now. I think I have to end the vibe. Emmanuel also on the vibe. Odochi, how are you, my brother? There's a guy, hey, Santos from Brazil, also watching on YouTube, guys. Also remember to subscribe on YouTube. My name is Maka Mugenda. Aloha, bear. Aronia, more Indians on the vibe. How are you, my guy? Victoria. Kachina Tech. I was in Kachina. Kachina Tech. I am here. Oh, Kanya. How are you, Kachina? I Kachina. I see my baby. Kachina also the one. I see my baby. Omera, why are you bugging me with those Humba? Kachina Tech. Brother Kechem also man. Love, who told you that? Who told you that? Never bending in Nogara. Kachina Omuga Baba. Yakamon Golden Osama, DJ Elia. Aaron Osama. How are you, Kachina? Safari knows the love. One, two. Ayami Malega Binwa Farida Lam Kachina Kate. Hi guys, thank you so much, my guys. I really appreciate your time. Yeah. No. Omera Lamus. Omera, vipi? I see Dub. Also the Kachina. Where are you watching from? My name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate you guys. Alexander, I really appreciate your time. Just keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda playing traditional instrument. Mata. Alexander. Otek malali ni tena ni matusi. Guys, yeah, so you can subscribe on YouTube. It's Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Also, you can appreciate through M-Pesa if you like. Oh my God. Mbona wewe? Ayo! Have you seen the guy? Is he there? Is he there? Oh, is he there? Hello, is he there? Are you dancing? Is he there? Welcome to jamming session. Nyatiti guru jam. This year is he the dancer? I am. We are Muna we is he the youngest? My brother also the man. Big Zella. I'm African wildlife. Eddie, is he that shake your bamba? Hey, I wanna jump to the danga. Ayo, baby, also the one. Anya, baby, Anya. I love love. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Big tears. Some people cannot sleep. Baby, oh, it's that. Alright, guys, thank you so much, my guys. I really appreciate your time. My name is Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti, guys. This one, baby Anya, from where I don't know. I think it's now one. It's almost raining, guys. I have to leave the vibe because it's almost raining. From Nigeria, Anya. I really love that. Chris, I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Kenya. Yeah, I'm from Kenya. From Kenya, my guy, Zida. Zida, you from where? I wanna know you more. That's great. Yes, I speak Kiswahili. I see Kiswahili one way. Where are you watching? Zida Jakabamba originally. Hey, my guy. Nashe. Well, my guy. Ayo, Yesu Amala. I wanna jump. Ayo, joy, Nazira, ayo, woman, Julian, ha ha ha, Yazai Magonyoji, Gracio, Yazai Magonyoji, Big Joe, let me find easy, ha ha. I did the therapist, ayo, Juliana, I did the therapist, I did it. Ankai Miyagi Mora I did the therapy Miyagi Mora get up I did the what ayo Wololo Obosh Osadama Wololo Mama Gamne Jogi Muno Magabuena Roda blessing on Sofa Agua Aguera Maya Nyamba Ayami Azogo Obosh Hello Obosh Baba Obosh Wewana We're watching from Omera. Have you seen that lady? La guy. Young Mono Magai. I love. Ha ha. Benina did it. Ayo. Oh, them boyda. Them boyda don't yoga. Them boy. Ayo. Them boyda bendo de. Lola kai. Mama, mama, rigo baba, voy a ya, ay, are, la la, ay, ha ha, ay, oh, you is malo, yo alego. De boida, Benina, my country, Lola, Nyatiti, Jamoruma, ha ha, one the boys, Jamoruma. Jamo, Derinda, ayo, hello, you have to clap for Maka, guys, you can clap for Maka, guys. When it's Maka Mugenda, I really appreciate your time. Just clap, you can clap, give me a lot of clap. Yeah, it's Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate you. The Voider. I see you. We know now also in the vibe. I see my God. Izida. Izida is from clapping. I don't know Izida is from which country, but no problem. Queen Balan. I don't know. Steve-O also in the vibe. Guys, right now I just want to. I think Bush. This is the end of. Also Luo from Uganda. Voida. Let me play one song to Voida. Yeah, Voida, this is your song. Stop talking and play. I can't follow your rules. Sparkles on the vibe. Ayo, Lola Kai. Ayo, I am the winner. Long the boy. Oh, the boy. Let me sing to the void. Oh my brother. Come along, my brother, the void. Blessing also the one. And you angel. Oh, Lolai. Aye, is it that? Let me sing to you, voice. Aye. Hallelujah. Just sing the Buddha. Aye. In a long I got your dollar. I got your dollar. I got your dollar. So I'm going to day, boy. I'm going to day. I should dance in Yamaka. Kirio. Mabusa. Abusango. Good morning, my brother, my time, wow, my time's gone. The void. Thank you so much, the void. My God bless everyone. Watch the void. My name is Mark. That's the end of my streaming today. Have a nice time. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for clapping. For those who are watching, subscribe, watch. It's Mark Mukenda. Nyawano, Riti. Bye, love. Goodbye. Bye. Have a nice time. Have a nice time, guys. Have a nice time. I have to leave. Yeah, guys, for those watching, I wanna take it now. Guys, I'm now taking you to the other side of the beach where you will see how it's there. Is that place now? Okologa. Yavan yokolo. Okolo. Chokolo. Okao jachi. Saya banyak lagi cuci-cuci orang. Guys, just keep on watching. I want to take you guys right now in the beach. Baby, I want to take you along the beach now, so you see how beautiful the beach is. My name is Mark Muganda. I'll be walking with you along the beach. Yeah, you see how beautiful is the beach, guys. And remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Jambo, Jambo. Guys, just keep on watching. As I say, my name is Mark Muganda. I'll be streaming to you guys. Give you the vibe along the beach, and you see how beautiful is the beach. This is how it is. Yeah, just put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling and how you are getting the vibe. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. I'll be just running around, give you this such kind of nice vibe. Just keep on watching. Yeah, guys, just keep on watching and put down your comment. Where is this? Where is it? This is Diani. Diani is along the beach. This is in Kenya. Yeah, so just keep on watching. This is how Diani is. It's a very special evening here in the beach. When you see the camera, when you look the camera, guys, you'll see there's some beautiful faces. Yeah, they are right now they are from boat ride. They are from boat ride now. They're taking leave from boat ride, guys. Just keep on watching. When it's Mark again, as I said, this is one of the very special evening, guys. Put down your comment and ask more questions as you can, because this is one of the very special evening vibe, guys. Just put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling, how you are getting the vibe. I don't know why this coil is getting me this like this, Omera. This is how it is, guys. Just keep on watching. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Yeah, it's more amazing. The place is very nice. When you see the camera, the place is very nice, looking very unique. And these are one of the famous beach, and also is the largest beach in Kenya. Yeah, this is Diani, guys. So just keep on watching when it's Mark Muganda, as I said before. This is one of the very special time, guys. Yeah, just keep on watching. See how beautiful is the place, guys. Right now they are coming from. Did you make your own instrument? Yeah, I make it alone. Yeah, I'm the one making the instrument. Do you want the instrument? Do you want the instrument? If you want the instrument also, I can sell to you. I can also sell it to you when you want. When you want to buy, I can also sell it to you guys. Yeah, so this side is Indian Ocean. This side is Indian Ocean. The other side is on this side is river side, and the other side is Indian Ocean. So just keep on watching. As I say, my welcome together. I really much appreciate your time. And right now there's a lot of cold. Wow, it's very cold here. Very cold here, guys. I don't know how to say it, but still, just keep on watching. My name is Mark Muganda, one of the biggest artists from western part of Kenya. Just keep on watching. Put down your comments. Tell me how you are feeling, guys, because this is a very special evening vibe. I'll be taking you along the beach. Yeah, also remember to put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling the comment, guys. How you are feeling the area, the base, everything you are seeing, if it's good. Now you can just tell me how beautiful it is, guys. My name is Mark Muganda. I really appreciate your time. Put down and tell me how you are feeling. This is one of the very, 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 very nice time. Yeah. Hi guys. Habari gani? Wacha nitoe. My name is Mark.
Nyatiti.
Agwele ni can I play for something?
Yes.
Okay, for those who are watching, guys, I have to leave. I'll stream next time.